Hello, my name is Alexandra, and today I'll guide you through a lesson using our LoiLo TTP math curriculum on LoiLoNote. Here are some key points about LoiLo TTP math. It is based on the Teaching Through Problem-solving TTP methodology. Currently, it's designed for 4th and 5th grade classes. It consists of 13 units per grade. Each unit includes a detailed unit plan and overview. It is structured around 5 lesson types: investigate, learn, apply, master, and extend to deepen understanding. And it is delivered on a digital platform, making TTP accessible for all educators and students. Let's dive into how these elements come together to enhance learning. I'm excited to showcase how LoiLoNote School facilitates TTP methodology with the LoiLo TTP math curriculum. LoiLoNote School is a versatile digital platform that simplifies the TTP methodology, making it accessible for all educators and students. Here's how it works. Using the send function, teachers can instantly distribute worksheets or assignments to the entire class. Work is collected when students submit their completed work electronically, which teachers can easily access in the submission box. Teachers review submissions, select various responses to highlight differences and similarities, and prepare them for class discussion using the compare function. Selected student responses are shared back to the class for review and reflection using the collective thinking board. Students can also save these responses to their My Math notes for personal review. Let's explore these functions in action on the LoiLoNote app. Here is the LoiLoNote desktop. Let's access the LoiLo TTP math curriculum. Start by clicking Materials on the left sidebar. Open the Teachers Only folder. Navigate to TTP and select G5 and G4. You'll now see the available curriculum. Choose the grade level. Now choose the specific unit and lesson that you want to use. This is a lesson preview. To add the lesson to your Note desktop for full access, click Use on the top right. The selected lesson is now ready for you to teach and interact with. Every LoiLo TTP lesson is structured consistently for ease of use. The top left displays the grade, unit number, title, and lesson number. Below this, you'll find the lesson type and title. The center consists of the lesson objectives and the Common Core state standards for mathematics addressed in the lesson. To the right shows any materials required for the lesson. Below the materials box is the card key. Green cards are teacher support material, white cards are used for presenting the lesson, and blue cards are designed to be sent to students for their work. The left side of the lesson outlines the lesson segments and the recommended duration for each segment. Now let's begin the lesson, showing both the teacher and student views. Most lessons start by reviewing reflections from the previous lesson. This is followed by engaging students with a review questionnaire to assess their understanding. To use the questionnaire card, start by duplicating the card using the menu on the top right indicated by 3 dots. This will change ownership and allow you to use it interactively with the students. After duplicating, you'll see additional options, including the Answer Together feature, which is ideal for collaborative review. For a more engaging experience, select Game Mode. This will automatically display the questionnaire on the student's screen. The teacher can select the time limit for each question and then start the questionnaire. Game Mode makes the questionnaire both fun and interactive. Let's watch how it plays out. At the end of the questionnaire, student responses will be shown in a graph. When finished with the questionnaire, teachers can end sharing and go back to the lesson. To share the lesson content with your students, begin by selecting the white card designed for lesson presentation. Utilize the send function on the top right, followed by share screen to display your screens to the students. White cards are connected to provide a seamless presentation. When finished sharing, you can select End Sharing on the top right. Accompanying the presentation is a blue card for students to work on the problem. To distribute this card, select it and use the Send function, where you can send the card to the whole class. This will make the card appear on the students' note desktops and also be logged in their timelines. The timeline shows all sent material and is accessible via the Send function on the left menu. This seamless integration of presentation and interaction ensures that students are actively involved in the learning process, leveraging digital tools for enhanced educational outcomes. Now it's time for not only students to work independently, but teachers as well. Once the blue card is sent, students can engage with the problem using LoiLoNote's writing and typing tools. This allows them to interact directly with the lesson content, enhancing their learning experience. The writing and typing functions are found at the top middle of their screen. As students begin working on their assignment, it's time for teachers to send the My Math Note to students. This acts as a digital notebook where they can consolidate all key points and personal insights from the lesson for later review. To open a submission box, navigate to the Submit function on the left sidebar and select Create New Task. You can now give the task a name and decide when you would like answers to be submitted. Once the task is open, students can submit their completed work using the Send function, followed by Submit and choosing the appropriate assignment name. You can see the assignment submitted in the submission box on the teacher side. Teachers can view all entries in the submission box. This feature allows teachers to monitor the progress of each student in real time. After students submit their assignment, they can add their work to their My Math Note by dragging and dropping their work card into their My Math Note card. The card can then be resized using the shrink function or the scale function to fit it neatly into the My Math Note card. When ready for discussion, teachers can select individual submissions to use or copy. These options are under the three-dot menu on the top right and allow teachers to paste these responses into their collective thinking board for a comprehensive group discussion. The collective thinking board is a tool for teachers to organize their board work and present it to the class. This streamlined approach not only facilitates effective lesson management, but also fosters an interactive and engaging learning environment. After teachers choose the best student responses to highlight in discussion, they can send the selected solutions back to the students. This allows students to add these answers to their My Math Note. This will help them remember the discussion and what was learned. This process not only helps students understand diverse problem-solving approaches by reviewing peer solutions, but also engages them actively in the learning process by incorporating their work into the class discussion. To conclude the lesson, teachers can review the lesson summary and edit the statement if they find necessary. Then the summary card is sent to students for them to add to their My Math Note. Finally, the reflection card is sent to students. Students are prompted to fill out the reflection card with a personal reflection on their learning from that lesson and add the card to their My Math Note. Teachers often request the reflections be sent to them in the submission box when finished, so that reflections can be used as review in the next lesson. For organization and easy access, students can keep their My Math Note visible on their Note desktop or save it to their personal materials folder. To do this, they simply select the My Math Note, choose the Send option, and then direct it to Materials. Finally, add it to their personal folder. This step ensures that their work is securely stored and readily accessible for review and continued learning. Thank you for joining this lesson demo. We hope this has inspired you to explore the possibilities with LoiLoNote and the LoiLo TTP math curriculum. We're excited to offer both LoiLoNote and TTP math for free for a 1-year trial to your class, school, or district. For more information or to start your trial, please visit our website via the QR code. You can also email us directly at usa@loilo.tv. We look forward to empowering your education journey.